this is Michaela, and I'm in a group with Jacob, Stevie, and Evan, and we're doing problem number 9, which reads, in the circuit shown the capacitor is initially uncharged. At time t equals 0 seconds, switch A is closed and the capacitor begins to charge. When the voltage across the capacitor is 2 volts, switch A opens and switch B closes. At what time is the current flowing through the 100 ohm resistor equal to 15 milliamps?
So as we can see from this diagram, when switch A is closed, the capacitor is charging, and once it hits 2 volts, switch A will open and switch B will close, which will cause the capacitor to discharge.
Okay, so the question states that at t equals 0 seconds, switch A is closed and the capacitor starts to charge. So in order to find time, we need to use the equation delta V equals V max, the quantity of 1 minus e to the negative t over RC. And so we can find RC by this circuit's resistor, which is 50 ohms, and then the capacitor of 20 millifarads. And then we'd plug that in the equation under negative t. 3 volts would be V max because that's what's coming from the battery. And then that is from this equation how we find the time it takes for this capacitor to charge.
And then we want to find how long it takes to discharge. And so again, we use delta V equals V max e to the negative t over RC. And then we can find RC by using this circuit right here with B closed, which equals 2. And we know the current is 0.015 amps. And then we can from there find the time, which is 0.575 seconds. And then, so now that we know how long it takes to charge and discharge, we can add those two times up to find the total time, which equals 1.67 seconds.